Come test drive the 2025 Q7. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, LED headlights, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.